Hello friends, welcome to a new video of English. So today we will be seeing the reading with understanding section number 2. And in this one we will be seeing a paragraph and related questions of this paragraph. Okay, so before that I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can use the content as well. Let's start reading. Why do astronomers think there may be life on Mars? As you know, scientists are now conducting all kinds of experiments to see if life can be found anywhere else in the universe. Naturally, it is easier to explore our own solar system for signs of life than it is to probe outer space. And one of the places where some scientists believe a form of life might be found is the planet Mars. So in the first paragraph, they are saying scientists are trying to find life other than our planet, and where it may be, they are trying to find it, and there is a chance that life is available, maybe similar to humans or something like that, may be available in the planet Mars. So let's see why they refer to it as life possibility in the planet Mars. Why did they pick Mars? Well, Mars is considered to be a sort of twin of our own planet Earth. It is the next planet beyond the Earth in distance from the Sun. Mars is about half the diameter of the Earth and rotates around the Sun in just under 2 years. But Mars has a day that is almost equal in length to our day here on Earth. So in the second paragraph, the writer says, why did they pick Mars? So what is the reason behind picking Mars, and why there is a belief that life can be possible in Mars? So what are the factors supporting it? So the factors being supported, the statements that are told here is the next, it is similar to the sort of twin of our own planet Earth. That means life is available at Earth. Human beings are here, plants are here, different animals are here. So life is possible on Earth. So if it is on Earth, Mars is similar to Earth. In what ways they are similar? Let's see. It is next planet beyond the Earth in distance from the Sun. So distance of Mars from Sun is somewhat similar to your Earth. Okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So Mars comes after Earth. Okay, so it is somewhat near to Earth and near to the Sun too. If you see the solar system, you will understand where is the position of Mars. Okay, but Mars has a day that is almost equal in length to our day. So it has day and night. If you take in Mars, it is similar to Earth's day. Okay, and it rotates around the Sun in 2 years. That is another fact that helps to understand or that helps to estimate that life is possible in Mars. Let's read the next paragraph. In observing Mars, astronomers have noticed certain things that indicate a form of life may be possible there. First of all, Mars has seasons like the Earth. In fact, as the season changes in Mars, there seem to be changes on its surface. The dark areas get stronger in the spring and summer, and the color changes from bluish green to yellow, Could this be vegetation? So this is a question asked to the readers. So while scientists are observing Mars, what are the things being noted? The things that are noted is Mars has seasons like Earth, and when the changes in season happen, it is visible on its surface too. That means if the change is there, some changes are taking place on its surface too, because being an astronomer, they can only observe the Mars. Okay, the dark areas get stronger in the spring and summer. During spring and summer, some darkness is increased and the color changes from blue green to yellow. So some blue green to yellow changes are happening, like in the fall season. Usually the leaves started falling. Similar to that, some leaves may turn orange color and then it starts to fall. So that happens in Earth. So on Mars, it is happening like bluish green color is changing to yellow on its surface. That changes are visible. You consider it is Mars, you can see, you cannot see, astronomers can see. Okay, so that visibility is available. So they are hoping it is vegetation. Vegetation is plants are available on that part which is changing color. Astronomers also believe that there is at least a small amount of water vapor in the atmosphere of Mars, and this would be helpful in supporting life. Then, too, in 1887, an Italian astronomer Giovanni reported seeing markings on the surface of Mars that resembled canals. Could these have been built by Martians in order to carry water from the polar region to the desert areas? Scientists wondered. So, in this paragraph, it is being told that there is a possibility that in the Mars atmosphere, amount of water vapor is available, and that helps in survival of the life. And that too, in 1887, an astronomer Giovanni, he has reported that something similar to canal is there on the surface of Mars, and this may be helpful for carrying uh, water from polar region to the desert areas. And Martians are the people living in Mars. Okay. Next one. In 1976, two American Viking space probes landed on the surface of Mars, and the instruments in the space probe searched the surrounding soil for signs of life and radioed their result back to Earth. These results showed that either there are germs in the soil or the soil is very unusual and not like that on Earth. If life does not exist on Mars, it would be a very simple form of life. If life does exist on Mars, it would be a very simple form of life. So in the last paragraph, in 1976, it is told that two American Viking space probes already landed on the surface of Mars, and they checked for the soils for for the for seeing if signs of life are available on Mars, and radioed their result back. That means they gave the result back to the scientists or results showed that it is some germs in the soil, and the soil is very unusual. It is not similar to that on the Earth. And if life was possible on Mars, it would be a very simple kind of life. Everything is not possible, but a very simple kind of life is possible, maybe there. That's what the scientist came to a conclusion. We have used different words in this paragraph. Let's check what are the meanings of those words. So these are the words that are being used. Explore is to enquire or discuss in detail. This is just discuss in detail. Probe is through investigation. Next is vegetation. That means it is plants found in a particular habitat. Okay, so different kinds of plants available in different habitat. Resembled, look similar or similar appearance. Martians, inhabitants of Mars. That means who like on Earth, human beings are there, animals are there, plants are there. So like that, Martians are the people, if anybody exists, they may be known as Martians. Wondered is feeling curious. Radioed is sending message through radio. So these are the words vocabulary used in the passage. These are the meanings of those words. Let's cover this in-text question 3.2. Tick the correct answer. The scientists are looking for new species of life in other parts of universe, Mars. The scientists are not looking for new species of life. Scientists are looking for not Mars, life in other parts of the universe other than Earth. The size of Mars is about half of the Earth, half the distance, half the diameter of Earth, half the diameter of Sun. So again it is this one, half the diameter of Earth, given in the chapter. The changes in the color of the surface of Mars may be due to canals, changes in season, changes in the vegetation due to the changes in the season. Water vapor was the factor that changes in the season is okay, but changes in vegetation due to the change in the season. When season is changing, some kind of vegetation is keeping changing, so that gave them the idea that the surface of Mars is getting changed due to season. Giovanni, the Indian astronomer, found rivers on Mars, marking on Mars resembling canals. So it is the mark on Mars resembling canals. Second one is answer the following question. What is the similarity between Mars and Earth? List them. So you have got some similarities between Mars and Earth. They both have seasons. Okay. Day length is similar to Earth's length, and something similar to canal is available. Water source is available in Mars. This is available in the paragraph. Read the paragraph and answer these questions. Next one is, second question is, why do the astronomers think there may be life on Mars? So possibilities are Mars have water vapor on its surface, or on its atmosphere, so there is a chance of life on Mars. These two reasons why the scientists selected Mars. Because it is similar to Earth, that is one reason. Another one is the distance from Sun to the Earth to the Mars is somewhat equal to the Earth. And Mars also surrounds the Sun in 2 years. Also, day length is similar to Earth's. To find the life, they selected Mars due to all these reasons. You can list out any two. Complete the following sentences. Two American Viking probes landed on Mars in 1976. They looked for blank in the surrounding soil and blank. They looked for signs of life in the surrounding soil and radioed the result back to Earth. Next is the two things that they found were germs in the soil, and soil is very unusual soil and germs in the soil. These are the two things that they found out. So these questions result answers are given in the paragraph itself. So read the paragraph and read the